Hello everyone, welcome back. Let's work out, full body workout, resistance band. So let's get started. Sit down first. We're gonna start with something simple. First, inhale deeply. Exhale. Fix your resistance band under your foot. Open the legs wide a little bit. We're gonna start with something simple. We're gonna open up the left leg towards the side 10 times, nice and smooth. Inhale. Exhale, let's work. 2, nice. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Keep the low back straight. 8, 9, 10. And then you switch. 1, go. 2, push. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And release. Many people struggle with pain, basically because of muscle weakness. So this workout will be very helpful for you. It will be very helpful for almost any age. Inhale deeply. The next thing, we're gonna pull the leg up. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, high. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, right one. 1, go ahead. 2, push. 3, 4, 5, nice. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release. Inhale deeply. Exhale. The next one, we're gonna bend our left foot towards the chest as high as possible. Lock everything, keep your lower back straight. Here we go, 10 on each side, and work. 2, nice. 3, 4, 5, 6, push. 7, 8, 9, 10. And the right one, and 1, go ahead. 2, push. 3, nice. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And release. Awesome. We continue. Arms on the ground. We need to rotate your palms outside, bring them closer to your hip. From here, you should keep your legs straight. We're gonna push our butt up as high as possible, arms straight. From here, we're gonna bend left leg towards your chest. Here we go, 10, 2, nice. 3, push your butt up. 4, 5, 6, 7, nice. 8, 9, 10, and switch. 1, push. 2, nice. 3, 4, high. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release. Awesome. Then we're adding upper body posture. What we're gonna do next, please take care of what I'm doing with my arms. So grab this way, then you're gonna open up a little bit. We're gonna do plank position, and from plank position, what we're gonna do, we're gonna roll backwards. So from here, lock your core lower back, and then from the left arm, you just roll back. Roll back. You need to feel your lat and upper back. Ladies, you can place your knees on the ground and do the same thing. Here we go. Nice and smooth, suitable for almost any age. You can find any resistance band that is suitable for you, and let's work. Here we go. Inhale. Exhale. Plank position. 10 on left arm, then 10 on the right. Here we go. 2, drive elbow back. 3, nice. 4, 5, awesome. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release. Take a deep breath. Exhale. Let's roll on the right arm. Straight and work. 2, nice. 3, squeeze. 4, nice. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release. Your workouts should not be very difficult if you cannot do them. You can find anything suitable for you and just work. Inhale first. Exhale. One more. Exhale. We're gonna do one more set, but the second set we're gonna switch. One time left row, one time right row. Here we go. We're gonna do totally 16, 8 on each arm. Straight plank position, left, right. Lock your core lower back, let's work. 2, nice. 3, 4, 5, 6, nice. 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 6 more, go. 2, push. 3, nice. 4, 5, 6. Release, awesome. Take a deep breath. Exhale. One more. Exhale. Okay, the next one, same thing, arms on the ground, but one will be inside, one will be really straight. From here, let me start from the left arm. Left arm first, straight. From here, what I want you is, you just need to drive your left arm up. You will work a lot on your shoulders, so we need to do 10 on each side. Keep your arm straight, let's work. Lock your core lower back, push up. Inhale, from your left arm, right shoulder blade is pushing all this up. Here we go. 2, nice. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then we'll switch. Same thing with the right arm. Here we go. 1, 2, nice. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release. Awesome. Not bad. Inhale deeply first. Then exhale. Continue same, but towards the side right now. So we need to grab from here, open towards the side, your right arm. The left elbow should drive towards the side, as you can see. So in front a little bit, and then towards the side. In front, towards the side. You're gonna work on your left side, scapular, shoulder blades. Very useful for your posture in daily life. Here we go. Inhale, 10 on each side. And 2, feel your upper back. 3, 4, drive your elbow up. 5, 6, squeeze. 7, 8, 9, 10. Now you switch. Same happens with the right. Exhale, let's work. 2, nice. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release. Take a deep breath. Exhale. Okay, back. Be seated. First, you place your resistance band on your legs. Right away here, you lock your core lower back, place your elbows on the ground. From here, we're gonna elevate your right foot up and hold 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then we'll switch left, up, hold 10, 9, 8, 7, hold 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, release. Lie down on the back. From here, you elevate your head, lock your core lower back. From here, elevate your straight legs. We're gonna open them towards the side. 10, 1, push, 2, nice, 3, 4, 5, 6, keep working, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, and release. Awesome. Inhale deeply first. Exhale. Then from here, what I want you to do is open up your legs, bend your knees slightly towards the side. As you can see, I'm pushing towards the side as much as I can. And from here, I'm driving my legs straight forward and bend them, knees drive towards my chest. Here we go, 10. And 2, nice. 3, 4, keep pushing your legs towards the side. 5, nice. 6, flat back, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release. Inhale deeply first. Exhale. Elevate your head, straight legs, rotate them outside, bend your knees slightly, hold here. From here, we're gonna close and open. close and open. Here we go. 10 and 2, nice. 3, 4, 5, nice. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Keep them open. Hold 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly close and release. Awesome. Take a deep breath. Exhale. Okay, we're gonna do the last one for legs. From here, what I want you to do is you place your right in front, left closer to you. Left leg should stop on the resistance band. Arms closer to your body. From here, you need to push your leg up, flex it and push up. As you can see, your heel goes outside of resistance band. That will give you possibility to push and to feel. Here we go. 10 and 2, nice. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Take a deep breath. Left leg same and work. 2, nice. 3, 4, 5, go ahead. 6, push. 7, nice. 8, 9, 10. Release. Awesome. The last one that I want to do with you may be more challenging, but at the same time it is very useful. Place your resistance band, lower the knees a little bit. From here, we're gonna squat a little bit, hips go backwards. We're gonna elevate our heels off the ground, as you can see. And we're gonna push our knees outside. 1, 2, go ahead. 3, push. 4, 5, nice. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more to go. 1, push. 2, nice. 3, go ahead. 4, push. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And back. Awesome. After you did this, quick stretch that will be very helpful. Right leg in front, left leg backwards. Drive it all over. Feel the stretch in the right side of your glute, hamstrings, mostly glutes. 3, 2, 1. Then you switch. Left leg in front, right leg towards the side. Hold this. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're finishing with down dog. Take a deep breath. Hold here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Upper facing dog. Look up. 3, 2, 1. Nice, smooth release. This is the quickest full body workout you can do at home. It will engage almost all your small group and big group of muscles, which will help you to live longer, walk healthier, walk longer, walk better, pain-free. So take care of your body. Don't forget, your body is your clock. Peace out.